I made $50 with YouTube in my first month being monetized. The last few days I've been posting a bit more and I make around $5 per day. If I can keep this up, I will make around 150 per month. I'm an indie developer and I made a YouTube automation channel that is completely automated by code. It makes the videos with AI. I just press a button and it pumps out videos and it uploads them to a YouTube channel that I just got automated. Follow if you want to see how much money I will make. Right now I focus on very long meditation videos for sleeping. That's my niche, don't leak it. Videos are 1 hour long, sometimes even 8 hours. And this one did almost 200 views and made me €1.50. Here we will look at the revenue and the RPMs. As you can see, I have $18 per thousand views RPM, which is really high for YouTube. CPM is even higher. Sometimes this almost hits $40. So the videos I make look like this.
Find a comfortable position, allowing your body to sink deep into relaxation. Your path unfolds perfectly.
So I create the voices with AI locally on my laptop. I have an AI running. I write the scripts. I put music on there that's royalty free. I write the titles and the description, the tags, and the uploading. Everything is done by AI, divided up into a lot of different smaller steps. And I wrote multiple different scripts to generate different types of videos. So one video is a bit more meditation, the other one is a bit more like affirmations and whatever. I also made a script for YouTube Shorts, but they don't do as well. And right now I am generating a video for a different channel that's called Time Travel Meditations. Similar niche, but a little bit more specific. So meditations for time travel. So you can imagine you're traveling to a different time, like you're a knight in medieval times. This right now is generating each sentence of the script with the local AI. Here you can see it. Processing TTS, text-to-speech, audio. Anyways, that's basically what I am doing. I plan to build the channel out further, get good revenue, so it becomes a couple hundred per month, hopefully 1,000 per month, so I can kind of retire on it, so I don't have to work, I can go travel, and this just runs in the background and I can focus on building other stuff, because I also like to build software. Here's an AI influencer SaaS that I built that some people pay for already. You can upload product picture and it creates videos for your product, like this bathtub, and you see a guy using the product. Here for fashion product, and you get a girl using the product, or drop shipping bullshit. There we go. Here it's still loading. A different site that I'm making is a Reddit commenter marketing, so you can scan for subreddits related to your business, enter some of your business info, and then it scans those subreddits for posts that are relevant to your business, and it gives them a score. You can filter on the score so you get the most relevant posts, and then it can also write a comment for you so you can quickly and easily find the best post, drop your link, help people with your product, your business, and do some marketing that way. That's also how I get a little bit of traffic to the AI influencer product. I don't get a lot of traffic, but it's passive, so that's the main thing. So yeah, I do YouTube. Hopefully that will get me enough money to survive, travel, and then I can work on SaaS businesses. So that's my story. Follow along if you're interested. Thank you for watching.